5:30, a new lawsuit raising some questions about the expectation of privacy during so-called pocket dials.
One man says he had to resign after he accidentally dialed his boss while at home, and the boss overheard him complaining about work to his wife. CBS News correspondent Mark Strassman has the details.
He had a tendency to call me after hours quite a bit.
James Stevens' boss, Michael Cohen, called him at home late one night. When the call ended, Gina Stevens had something to say.
Not the first time it had happened, and so I was a little irritated that we had had that intrusion.
You resented it?
Yes, sir.
Cohen overheard them talking for about 12 minutes. That's how long it took James Stevens to realize he had pocket dialed his boss.
I did hang it up immediately.
And what did you say to?
Oh my goodness, it's not going to go well.
The next day, Stevens, who worked for the state of Georgia, says he was forced to resign his six-figure job.
Gave me the option of resigning or being fired.
The Stevens sued Cohen personally, claiming he had invaded their right to privacy with voyeuristic eavesdropping that was felonious conduct. Lawyer David Guldenshoe represents the Stevens. He argues their conversation was private. Cohen knew it, and he was legally obligated to hang up.
You may not use an electronic device to listen into a conversation you know to be a private conversation.
Cohen filed a motion to dismiss the suit, arguing in his official capacity as a state supervisor, he was listening to the pocket dial call of a subordinate employee and deserves immunity. We reached out to Cohen's lawyer, who said, "We are unable to comment on matters that are pending." Ricky Kleeman is a CBS News legal analyst.
What we find here is someone who really believed he had a reasonable expectation of privacy and having a very, very confidential conversation with his wife, and that yet it may not be private at all.
In 2015, the Sixth Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals ruled on a similar case in Kentucky. It decided someone who pocket dials another person does not have a reasonable expectation of privacy because they placed the call.
If I'm talking to my husband just to kind of de-stress, and we're talking to one another
In your own home?
In my own home, then no, I don't think that that should lead to termination.
Remember, a state judge now has to decide whether Cohen was acting in his official capacity and therefore deserves immunity. If not, if this is a case of one private person eavesdropping on another, this case moves forward. Mark Strassman, CBS News, Atlanta.